Welcome back, everyone. So in this video, we are going to deploy our smart contract to Devnet. We can make sure that we are connected to Playground wallet, bottom left corner, and we are setting Devnet. So in case we want to switch, we can just choose one of these endpoints. But for this course, we are going to use Devnet. The wallet is connected automatically, so you don't need to do anything. What we need to do is actually for deploying to Devnet, we need to get some tokens from Faucet, and we can do this with the command Solana Airdrop 1. So it's going to give us 1 Solana. Sometimes it's giving errors, saying that you have requested too many, but sometimes it's also given when you haven't asked for it. So what I tend to do is actually try to get 2 or 3 errors in a row, because you never know when it's going to give you or not. But when I get 3 errors, I'm actually done. This is going to be a short video, by the way, since deploying is really easy with one click of a button. We will just do one more final build to ensure everything is okay. And we are just going to click deploy in here. So it's going to take some time. And after that, we are going to see our program ID here. And in case we want to check out the transaction, what has been going on under the hood, we can just go to Solana Explorer or Solscan. They are both working as very similarly, so both is fine in case you're wondering. And in the next video, we are going to get this program ID from here with this copy button, and we are going to use it in our front-end template.